What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. This is the second look I do using the Beauty Creations Jasmine palette, and I will show it to you guys just in case if you've never seen it before. It's such a pretty palette and it's super cheap as well. And these are the tones. Aren't they so beautiful? Like, this palette screams my name. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I've been using it non-stop. And like I said, this is the second tutorial. If you do want to see swatches and you want to see a full review, I do have two separate videos. I will leave them around here so you can go and check them out if you'd like to. Also, the first tutorial I did is something more simple for people that do not like to wear a lot of makeup, so I really recommend that video. And the next look I'm going to be doing using this palette is going to be something more simple for all my people that do not like to wear a lot of makeup. I got you, don't worry. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Also, I do want to thank everybody that has been subscribing. It really means a lot. Out of nowhere, I got a lot of subscribers. I know I'm still a smaller channel, but out of nowhere, I got a lot of subscribers, and it really warms my heart. So thank you to everybody that has been subscribing. Thank you to everybody that has been watching me since day one. It really means a lot. And if you're not subscribed, like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment so I can know where you're watching me from, because I know I have people from the US and Mexico, but I started noticing that I have people from Chile watching, which is so cool. Shout out to you guys. Like, thank you so much. Like I said, I know I said thank you like a million times, but I just can't help myself. It really means a lot to me. Just in case if you guys don't know, I do make English and Spanish videos. So if you understand more Spanish, I do have this same look in Spanish, and I make cooking videos as well. So if you like that, don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right in. And this is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's such a pretty look, something super festive. It's like a winter wonderland on my eyes, and I love it. I usually do blue eyeliners and stuff, but I never do blue looks like this. And I loved how this came out, so I will be rocking this very, very soon. If you don't have this lip, I do have another suggestion for you guys. I have this lip gloss from Kiss, and it's such a pretty color. To me, this color goes with any look that you do. So if you want another suggestion, you could use this. Also, in the lip bundle that Beauty Creation brought out, I also like this shade right here. It's such a pretty shade. You could also wear this one. You could also throw this one. This is the one I'm currently wearing right now, and as you can tell, it's a really pretty shade. Also, don't be afraid to wear darker colors. I personally would wear a black. I think that would look super bomb. I'm really into black lips right now. To me, they look super elegant and like edgy. So pretty soon I will be posting up a look using a black lip, so I hope you guys are excited for that. Also, the next tutorial, it will be using the Jasmine palette, but it's going to be a more simple look for people that do not like to wear a lot of makeup. So like I said, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Live open, vividly, and endless. I swear to God.